Have you ever wondered how people make money in the stock market while they're sleeping? Period. Or why you hear news like the market is up today and suddenly everyone gets excited? If you're confused and want to understand the stock market from zero, don't worry. Today I'm going to explain how the stock market works in the simplest way possible. No difficult finance words, no complicated charts, just pure beginner-friendly learning. So stick with me till the end, because this video might change how you think about money forever. And hey, before we start, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more beginner-friendly financial lessons like this. HR. Welcome to Money Mind channel. We give finance information and common important tips on saving and investment. The place where beginners learn how to grow their money smartly. In this video, we'll cover what is the stock market? How do people make money from it? What are stocks, shares, and companies? What are the risks you must understand before investing? How you can start, step by step. So let's jump right in. Part 1. What is the stock market? Think of the stock market like a big online marketplace. But instead of buying food, clothes, or electronics, people buy and sell small ownership pieces of companies. Parentheses. These small pieces are called stocks or shares. Example: if you buy a share of Coca-Cola, you own a tiny piece of Coca-Cola. But how to sell small ownership pieces of companies? If you sell a share of Coca-Cola, you own a tiny piece of all the companies. But money is always riskier than time. While investing on owning a company, build your portfolio to invest in you. If the company grows and makes more profits, your share becomes more valuable. So basically, buy shares, company grows, you grow. Simple, right? Part 2. How do people make money? There are two big ways. 1. Share price increases, capital gains. You buy a share at $10. Later, it becomes $18. You sell it, you profit $8. That's called capital gains. Company pays dividends. Some companies give part of their profit back to shareholders every year, called a dividend. So even if the price doesn't rise, you still earn money. It's like the company saying, "Thanks for owning us. Here's some profit." Both together, even better. If you're learning something new already, comment, "I'm learning." Part 5. Is it risky? PS very. And beginners must understand. Prices go up. Prices go down. Sometimes a company can fail completely. The market moves daily because of change. News, economy changes, business performance, global politics. So you must learn before you invest, not gamble. That's exactly why you're watching this video. Part 6. Investing versus trading. There are two main ways to participate: trading and investing. Short term, long term, buy, sell quickly, hold for years. Higher risk, lower risk, requires experience. Beginners friendly. Beginners should focus on investing, not emotional buying and selling. Bill. Part 3. Who runs the stock market? There are strong stock exchanges, places where buying and selling happens. Examples worldwide: Page, NYSE, New York Stock Exchange; Line, NASDAQ; technology-focused, Apple, Google, Amazon; India; Line, LSE, London. You don't go there physically. Everything is done digitally through a strong broker app. Page. Part 4. Why do companies sell stocks? Why would a business sell ownership? Simple. To raise money. Instead of taking a loan from a bank, companies ask the public, invest in us, and we'll use your money to grow. They do this through IPO, initial public offering. That's the first time a company sells shares to the public. When the company grows, everyone wins, but it's done. Part 7. What should beginners invest in? Strong. Here's what beginners should start with. Two-way. A. Blue chip stocks. Large, trusted companies like Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Slow and steady growth. B. Index funds, ETFs. Instead of investing in one company, you invest in 100s at once. Example, Strong, S&P 500 Index Fund, equals top 500 U.S. companies. Of lower risk, stable returns. This protects beginners from huge losses. Before we continue, listen, subscribe to the channel right now if you want me to make a full guide on how to buy your first stock step by step. Strong, important rules for beginners. Important rules. Here are golden rules. Of Rule 1. Invest money you won't need soon. Don't invest rent or emergency money. Rule 2. Start small. $50 or $100 monthly is enough to begin. Rule 3. Think long-term. Successful investors hold for 10 to 5 years. Rule 4. Learn first, earn second. Knowledge equals profit, ignorance, risk. Rule 5. Don't panic during market downs. Even the best stocks go down temporarily. Part 9. How to start, step by step. Here's your beginner roadmap. Step 1. Download a good broker app. Choose a trusted, legal platform in your country. Step 2. Learn basics. Understand risks, charts, company info. Step 3. Set investment goals. Why are you investing? Future, retirement, passive income? Step 4. Start with index funds or blue chips. Safe and beginner-friendly. Step 5. Keep learning. The more you know, the smarter you invest. If you are excited to start your investment journey, smash the like button and subscribe. Part 10. Mistakes beginners must avoid. Buying because others are buying. Believing overnight success stories. No research before investing. Getting emotional during market crashes. Trying to get rich quickly. Remember, slow and steady wins in the stock market. Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in the world, took decades to build wealth. The stock market is not magic. It's a wealth-building machine for those who learn how to use it smartly. Imagine investing $50 every month today. Where could you be in 10 years? Your future self will thank you for starting early. If you want more beginner-friendly stock market lessons, subscribe now. Like this video. Comment, teach me more about investing. And share this video with a friend who wants to grow financially. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now.